Hi, this is Akat with the product development team, and today we're doing a less than greater than math activity. So you need paper, scissors, a marker, 3 pipe cleaners, and googly eyes. So you start by cutting pipe cleaners, one right in the center, so half and half, and the other 2 at different lengths. Let's do this one. So this one to be super short and the other one pretty long. So after we have this done, we start rolling one of the ends towards the center, just like this, and this will help us create the little head for our little worms. After this is done, then you add googly eyes. So here we go. That's the first one and the second one. Then you use a marker to write greater than, equal to, and less than on a piece of paper. And then you can ask your kid to rearrange these little worms into this table. So in this case, this will be equal because they're the same length, and then they can compare. So let's see. This one, it's obvious that this one, it's pretty short, so the long one is going to be greater than the tiny one. And same for this one. So the small one is going to be less than the long one. Perfect.